Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make AI voice for free. In this video we're using SpeakPerfect AI, which is an AI-based tool that aims to enhance audio quality by transforming raw recordings into polished, high-quality audio. It offers a monthly quota of 1,000 words for AI-generated audio using an all-purpose package that turns recording into clear, engaging text and audio in any language. You can always benefit from the 1,000 words by opening accounts again and again using VPN, of course. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an account by entering your email and creating a password. Step 2. Select All-Purpose Package. Once you are logged in, you will see all the Purpose Package option. Click on it and start using the AI-powered editing package. Step 3. Upload audio recording. Upload your recording by clicking on the Upload button. The recording should be less than 25 megabytes in size. The AI-powered editing package will turn your recording into clear, engaging text and audio in any language. Step 4, which is the final review, edit, and save. Review and edit the text and audio as needed. Download the final product by clicking on the Download button. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.